In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust auto lock screen timeout on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until you find display and brightness. Once we get into display and brightness, we need to scroll down a little bit until we find auto lock. If we get into auto lock, we can configure for how long our device will wait when it is inactive until it locks automatically. We can select time period from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, and also we can hit at never. So if we select never, our device won't be locked if it is inactive. I prefer to keep it around 3 minutes because I'm recording videos all the time. However, for you, I recommend you to set it to 30 seconds and maybe to 1 minute. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.